In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on PC. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So if you clear cache on your PC, it will significantly boost your performance on your PC. So to do that, firstly we need to search here disk cleanup on our start menu. Once you search it, it will open this new window. Here we need to select our drive which we want to clean. So I want to go with my C drive, so I'll select it, then tap on OK. And now it will take some time, and now we just need to select all of these things from these options. So we need to check mark everything from here, then click on cleanup system files. After that it will again show you this window, again select your drive and tap on OK. Now we need to wait for a moment and it will take some time to delete all of your cache files. Once it completes, you will see another window, again select all of those files, it will show you. So once you select all of the files, tap on OK, and after that we need to tap on delete files, and it will start the process of cleaning your disk. And once it completes, all of your cache from your PC will be deleted. So this was the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.